Carrabba's charged me $24.60 for this pasta. This whole chicken is worth $6. Let's see if I can beat it. And I'm starting by dropping a whole raw chicken straight into boiling water. Yeah, stay with me. Real story. Walmart's chicken was way too expensive, so I grabbed the whole chicken from Kroger's for $6. Honestly, a better deal. Money hack. Boiling a whole chicken does two jobs. Fall apart meat you can shred, and free broth for the sauce. One bird, two wins. While it braises, we add salt, pepper, and the secret in every good kitchen, chicken bouillon. Quick question, what country are you cooking from? Drop it below, I read every one. 1 onion and 4 cloves of garlic. This is where the flavor lives. No fancy gear, just a pan. Add your tomato paste. Let it darken and get sweet. Then add your free broth. A splash of cream, that's what makes it Martino. Creamy or classic red? Which team are you on? Comment now. Look at that. Fork tender. This is the part Carrabba charges you $24 for. Rigatoni cooks just 10 minutes. Then toss it right in so every tube loads up. Look at that. Add a little Parmesan on top and it's time to eat. Grand total $15.31, and it makes 4 plates. That's $3.83 a plate. Carrabba's $24.60 for one, and that's before I tip $2. $26.60. It's over. Let's try Carrabba's Rigatoni Martino. I'm not even gonna play, you guys. That was terrible. I could barely taste the sauce. The pasta was chewy and it had this weird aftertaste. You guys go to Carrabba's and try their Rigatoni Martino and tell me something ain't wrong. All right, now this is Taste by Odyssey's Rigatoni Martino. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see. Fall apart chicken, creamy tomato rigatoni on the $4 a plate. I'm making this every week. If you make this before the weekend, drop a plus down in the comments. Subscribe, because new videos are coming your way. Peace!